After the width mate, we have the path mate option here. So as it is cleared from the path mate that this mate is used to move the components on the path. So let me show you. First of all, let me create a path on in the assembly. So this path could be a sketch, could be the lines like this. So let me show you. Uh, Make a sketch on top plane, then make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key, then use ellipse to create some path like this, then press escape button, then press this button to save and exit from sketch mode. Now let's say I'm going to move this part on this path. So for that we need in the path made, basically we need two components. First of all, we have to specify the path. So this is the path, and then we need component vortex. So basically the component vortex are the points on the component which we have to make the mate with the path. So let me show you. If I click and then open this part separately in another window, so this was the if you want to edit this part separately in the another window, or if you want to open only this part, so instead of going to this option open and then locate the part and then open it, we can also open this part by clicking on it, and then here in the window like this we can select open part. So here you can see we had opened this part separately. So now we have to create 2 points, or we have to drop 2 points on this part to specify that this component should move on according to these 2 points on the path. So sketch on this face, then make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key, then drop a point on this origin, or you can also drop the point any of the desired location. So now press this button to save and exit from sketch mode. Now I'm going to make another point on this face. So sketch on this face, then drop the point on the origin. Now close this part, or you can open directly the assembly. So here you can see we had updated the assembly. Now I'm going to make the path mate for these 2 component vortexes. Click on mate, then in the advanced mates select path mate, scroll up. You can see here we have the component vortex option and then the path. So in the component vortex select this point, then in the path selection select this sketch. So as you can see, if I drag my mouse or hover my mouse on this sketch, the whole sketch is changing its color, so showing that you can select all the sketch at one click. So if you are facing the problem in selecting the sketch, you can also use selection manager, and then you can select the these paths as per these options. So if you have a closed loop, select closed loop and then select this sketch. And if you have an open loop or an open sketch, select this option, or multiple selection or for group, select this option. So I'm going to select the closed loop, then select this sketch and press OK button. So this path mate has been created. Press OK button, again press OK button. Now let me show you. If I click and drag this part is moving on the path, but it is not aligned with this with the path. So as you can see, so that is why I had created these 2 points and I'm going to make two path mates for this component, one for this this component vertex and the another for this component vertex. So again select mate and then scroll down advanced mates, and in the advanced mates select path mate. Now select this component vertex and this sketch. Press OK button. Again press OK button. So now if I rotate, I move this part, and you can see this part is aligned with the path and also moving on the path.